Good morning everybody. See, in this session we shall continue the problems and the concept of sequence series. Okay, let us continue. Question number 49. You got that? Question 49. A person has two parents, four grandparents and a number of great grandparents and so on. Find the number of his ancestors during 10 generations preceding his birth. So, here is given person has two parents, four grandparents and 8 number of great grandparents. Okay, see ancestors are here. That is in terms of GP, right? GP is two parents, 4 number of grandparents, 8 number of great grandparents and so on. So like this, find the number of his ancestors during 10 generations preceding his birth. Okay, yeah, we have to find out the sum of all the parents. That is sum of totally 10 number. What is number of his ancestors during 10 generations? 10 generations means yes 10. Sum of 10 times. See here clearly GP is given. You know the sequence of arrangement of these numbers represents geometric progression. Right? Here A is 2 and R is second of by factor. That is also 2. Find out what is the total number of now parents in 10 generations. That is A is 10. Okay, that is equal to here A is 2 and not only here A is 2 and R is 4 by 2. That is also 2. See here R is greater than 1, therefore we have to use the formula A of R to the power of n minus 1 upon R minus 1, right? Now using that formula, it becomes S10 is equal to n by 2, that is 10 by 2 into 2a. Sorry, here we have to use the formula Sn is equal to A of R to the power. A means here 2 into R to the power of n means 2 to the power of 10. Or means 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. See this is 2 of 2 to the power of 10 is 1024 minus 1 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1024 minus 1, that is 1023 into 2 1. So multiplying these two numbers we will get 2046. That is the answer. See, check out the options. Option A is 2042, B is 2046, C is 2044, D is 2042. Option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Okay, and this next problem. Question number 50. Next, question 50. Find the ninth term and general term of the progression. Progression is 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2, 1, minus 2 and so on. So here we have to find ninth term. Ninth term of G, general geometric progression. Okay. See, here progression is 1 by 4, GP is given 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus 2 and so on, right? Using this GP we have to find 9th term A9. See here first term is 1 by 4 and our common ratio is minus 1 by 2 upon 1 by 4. So taking reciprocal of denominator, it will be get minus 1 by 2. Reciprocal becomes 4 by 1. So 2 1 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Next, just have to find 9th term of the progression, right? A9 is given by. See, A9 is given by A into R to the power of 9 minus 1. That is equal to A into R to the power of 8. See here A is known, R is known, substitute here simply and substituting A and common ratio R, it will be get A is 1 by 4 and R is minus 2 to the power of 8. See minus 2 to the power of 8, that becomes 256. 256 upon 4. So minus 2 to the power of 8, that becomes 250 plus 256. 4 1 4 6 and 4 4, that is 64. So that 9th term of progression is 64. 9th term of the progression is 64. Now check out the option. Option A is 64 and also find the 9th term and general term. See here, choose options. Check out the options. Here 9th term is 64 in option A and in option B 63 is there. Option C 62 is there. Option D 61 is there. Therefore, option A is correct answer. And also here we have to find general term. Suppose ಎರಡು options ಅಲ್ಲಿ 64 64 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 9th term is 64 ಅಂದ್ರೆ then you are going to find general term. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 9th term ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ 64 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 9th term. Therefore no need to find general term. So CT ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so that you need to find general term of the sequence. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ general term ಇದು an becomes ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು -1 to the power of n minus 1 and 2 to the power of n minus 1 is option. n is equal to 9 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get again same. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So n is equal to 9 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then you will get 9th term is 64. That is for example. So let n is equal to 9, then we get a9 becomes an is equal to a9, that is equal to -1 to the power of 9 minus 1, that is 8, and 2 to the power of n minus 3. N minus 3 means 9 minus 3, 6. 2 to the power of 6, right? That is equal to 2 to the power of, what is that? N minus 3. And now -1 to the power of plus 1 into 2 power 6 means 52. So this is n minus 1. N minus 1 is n minus 1 is 9 minus 1, that is 8. Note it down correctly. That is 2 to the power of n minus 3 is there. Make it as n minus 1. Now that becomes 2 to the power of 8. 9 minus 1, that becomes 8, that is equal to 2 to the power of 8, that becomes 64. Sorry. Correct thing. 2 to the power of 6 means 64. 64. -1 to the power of 8 means plus, and 2 to the power of 6, this 2 6 times of 2 into 2 into 2 2 into like that 6 times, it will be get 64. Right? Next problem. Option choose ಮಾಡಿ 9th term find out ಮಾಡಿ. Next option check ಮಾಡಿ. 64 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜನರಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ in order to save in times. Correct is there. Option A is correct answer. Next one. Question 51st. Which term of the GB is 1 upon 128? Say GB is 1. Which term is, we just have to find n. 2, 1 of 1 upon 4 and so on. Like this. Which term is 1 upon 128? Last term is given. Here A is 2, and R is off. And the last term is also given 1/128 given GB. See, by using this formula, we know that last term or AN that is equal to 4%. General term or last term of GP is given by A into R to the power of n minus 1. See, n is given, substitute here. It becomes 1/128. It is equal to A means 2 into R to the power of 4 means of to the power of n minus 1. Here we just have to find n. So as it is known, n minus 1. Now 1/128. On cross multiplying this 1 by 128 into 2, that will be 256 of to the power of n minus 1. See, what power of 2 should I write so that I can get 256? Here power 2 a power n rise multiply 256 bರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. 1 ಗೆ power n rise ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಗೆ n power rise ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it becomes 1, right? Next ಅದೇ ತರ what power of 2 should I rise so that I can get 256? It is 6. If I rise 8, if I rise 2 to the power of 8, that becomes 256 of to the power of n minus 1. 256 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 8 ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. That is 2 ಗೆ ಪವರ್ 8 ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get 256. What power of 2 should I rise so that I can get 256 is 8. See, here bases are same. Equating the powers, it will be 8 is equal to n minus 1 and n becomes 8 plus 1, that is 9. This 9th term of GP is 1/128. Look at the option. Option A is 9 is there. Next problem is 52nd. 52nd. If second term of GP is 24 and fifth term is 18, then first term is equal. Yes, second term is given. Second term of GP is, what is that? 24. Correct. And fifth term is 81. Then find out first term. A is what? You know that second term in geometric progression, second term can be written as A into R to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1. Is equal to 24. Take it out as equation first. Similarly, here A into fifth term of G, A into R to the power of 5 minus 1, that is 4, is equal to 81. Take it as equation second. Now divide these two equations. Means dividing equation 2 by equation first. So it becomes A into R to the power of 4 upon A into R. It is equal to 81 upon 24. See, A cancel out, R cancel out, it's R cube, outside R cube. And see, I am solving this one. See, 3 1s are 3 8s are, and 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. See, this can be expressed as, see, 3 cube upon 2 cube. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, that becomes 27. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that becomes 8. It's 3 by 2 whole cube, right? Can be expressed as 3 by 2 whole cube. Hence R is equal to 3 by 2. Here we just have to find first term. First term means A. Substitute value of R in either of the equation. Now, equation first becomes, not even R value, equation first is substitute model, it becomes now equation 1. Equation 1 is A into R is there. A into R is equal to 24. R find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A into R means 3 upon 2, that is equal to 24. Now shifting 3 to right side, still goes to denominator, right? Right, 3 1s are 3 8. Now again cross multiplication, 8 into 2, that is 16. So first term of GP is 16. See, look at the option. Check out the option. Option A is 16 is there. B 18, C 21. Therefore, option A is correct answer. So now, next one. Question 53. Term is minus 1 upon 32, 9th term is 1 by 256. Then 11th term is question 54. So 53. 6th term is given, that is A6 is minus 1 by 32. And 9th term is A9 is 1 by 256. Then 11th term is what? Find out 11th term. 11th term is what? Then here, what is your last method? See, A6 can be written as A into r to the power of 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 32. Take it out as equation first. Again here, A into r to the power of 9 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 256. Take it out as equation C. Now divide these two equations. Will we get dividing equation second upon equation first. So it will be get A into r to the power of 8 upon A into r to the power of 5. That is equal to 1 by 256. Directly I am taking reciprocal of this, becomes 32 by minus 1. See here A cancel, R cancel, that becomes R cube is equal to R cube is equal to, yeah, 32 ones are 32 8 minus 1 by 8, right? Minus 1 by 8. And R cube can be written as minus 1 by 2 whole. Therefore R is equal to minus 1 by 2. R is minus 1 by 2. Find out A is what? Substitute. Now again equation first becomes. Equation first. That becomes A into R to the power of 5 is there. Written as minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5 is equal to minus 1 by 32. See here, minus 1 power 5 becomes minus 1, 2 power 5 that is 32. These two will cancel. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Here A is not common ratio is 1. Find out 11th term is what? 11th term GP written as A into R to the power of 11 minus 1 is 10. A means 1. So R is minus 1 by 2 to the power of 10. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 to the power of 10, that becomes 1 upon 1024. 1024. Now check out the option. In option A, 1024 is there. Option B, 1 upon 1024. Therefore option B is right answer. Jesus. C, 1 upon 256. D is 1 upon 500. Correct answer is option B. Now take down next problem. Problem 54. Take out 54, next problem. The sum of 20 terms of progression. Here the progression is 3, 6, 12 and so on. So find out what is the sum of 20 terms. Means using this we have to find sum of 20 terms means is 20. Here A is 3. And common ratio is 6 by 3, that is 2. Greater than 1. So we just have to use the formula Sn is equal to A of R to the power of n minus 1 upon R minus 1. Using this formula, find out 20. Replace n by 20, this 20 becomes A of, A means 3 of 2 to the power of n. R power n means 2 power n. N means here 20. 2 power 20 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. See, now option is 3 into 30 to the power of 20 minus 1 is there, option A. Option B is 3 into 30 to the power of 19 minus 1 upon 2 is there, it is also wrong answer. Option C is 3 of 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. It is that. Option C is right. And option D is 3 upon 3 of 2 to the power of 19 minus 1 is there. Therefore option C is correct answer. Next, take down 55th. Next problem, 55th. See how many terms in this series are needed or ordered to make the sum 364. So how many terms means just have to find n. See, a series is given 1, 3, 9 and so on. See, observe this series. This series represents geometric progression, right? Now here A is 1 and odd is 3 and sum is given. Sn is 364 or greater than 1, and again we have to use same formula, sum formula, right? Substitute here. Sn is 364. Sn is equal to A of. A means 1 of. R to the power of n means 3 to the power of n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 that becomes 2. Cross multiply these two terms. Cross multiplying 364. That is equal to 3 power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Now cross multiply these two terms. You will get C. 728. It is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. And shift this minus 1 to left side. Minus 1 left side to plus 1. Correct? 728 plus 1. 729 is equal to, again, what power of 3 should I use so that I can get 729? Means if I raise 3 to the power of 6, so it will get 729. Then see here, bases are same, equity in the powers. Getting the powers, it becomes n is equal to 6. Check out the options. Option A is 5, is there, B is 6, C is 4, D is. D is right answer. Option B is 6 is the right answer. Question 55. So now let's move towards question 56. Geometric mean between two positive numbers. You know that the theory classes I have discussed. Geometric mean of two positive numbers is given by root of AB. Root of AB. So geometric means root AB. So root AB can also be written as AB to the power of. That is equal to geometric mean. So options C is the right answer. Option C is right answer. So next, question 57. 57. Third term of GB is 42. First 5 terms. So A3 is given. Using this, we have to find the product of. Find the product of its first 5 terms. See, A3 can be written as A into R to the power of 2, that is equal to 40. Take it out as an equation. First. A3 written as A into R to the power of 2, that is equal to 42. Take it out as equation first. Now, using this, we have to find the product of first 5 terms. It's product of first 5 terms of GP written as first term means you know A, second term is AR, and third term is AR square. AR by 4. Fifth term is A into R. See here, A power 1, power 1, A power 1, A power 1. See, bases are same. Adding powers A to the power of 5 and R to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 plus 4 is 10. R to the power of 10. See, A power 5, R power 10 can be expressed as A into R power 2 whole to the power of 5. See, from equation first, A into R to the power of 2 written as 42. 42 to the power of 5 is the product of first 5 terms of G. So product becomes 42 to the power of 5. See, now option A is 42 is there, option B is 42 to the power of 5. That is the right answer. Option C is wrong, D is wrong, right? Option B is correct answer. B is correct answer. So now, take your next problem. Question 58. The sum of three numbers in a GP is 56. The sum of three numbers in a GP is 56. If we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers, if we subtract 1 from first number, 7 from second number, and 21 from third number, these numbers in the order, we obtain arithmetic progression. Find the numbers. See, directly choose option A. Option A is what? 8, 16, 32 is there. ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 7 and 21 in order. ಈಗ 1 ನ 8 ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು, so becomes difference is 7. Again 8 9 again 11. See, these numbers represent arithmetic progression. See, difference arithmetic progression ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, difference must be same ಇರಬೇಕು. 7 9 difference is 2, 9 11 difference is 2. Therefore, option A is correct. And check out option B. Choose option B. Option B is 32, 16, 8 is there. 32, 16, 8. Here also we need to subtract 1, 7 and 21. The 32, if I take difference as well, becomes 31. Next, here 16 minus 7, that becomes difference is 9. Yeah, difference, this becomes minus 8 minus 20, this 30, minus 30. Now the difference not 9, 30, what is the difference? And minus 30 minus 9, that becomes minus 21. Here also minus 21. Minus, see, difference becomes the same, right? Therefore, both the options are correct. 31 minus 9, what it becomes? 22. Again, here also difference 22. Minus 22, minus 20. Difference is same. Both the options are correct. Again, choose option C. Option C is both A and B is there. That is the right answer. Option D, none of these. See, option C is correct answer. Then subtract given numbers. Given numbers are 1, 7, 21. From the given numbers are 8, 16, 32. First subtract 7, 9, 11. Difference is same. Difference is represents arrangement of numbers represent arithmetic progression. Last time 32, 16, 18. See, the order difference note 32 minus 1, 31. 16 minus 7, 9. Again 8 minus 21, minus 30. See, difference note 8 to minus 3, minus 9, minus 30. Minus 9 minus 13, that is minus 22. Minus 13 minus 9 minus 22, right? Correct. Difference ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. Numbers are in EP. Therefore, option C is right answer. Both option A and option B. That is the correct answer. Now, take the 58th one. 59. 59. The sum of first three terms of GP is 16 and the sum of next three terms is 128. Find the sum of n terms. Sum of first three terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ a or ar square. Their sum can be written as a plus ar square. That is equal to 16. Here only one. And sum of next three terms means ar cube plus ar to the power of 4 plus a into r to the power of 4. That is equal to 128. Use these two equations. Find out Sn is what. See here, each term a is common. Take outside 1 plus r square is equal to 16. Here also ar cube is common. Take outside 1 plus r square. That is becomes 128. Divide these two equations. Take it out as equation first, second. And dividing these two equations, it will be get ar cube upon a. 1 plus r square. 1 plus r square. Here these two terms get cancelled. And 128 upon 16. A cancel. R cube becomes 8. 16 8. Again r cube is equal to 2 cube. R becomes 2. Substitute value for either of the equation. And now this equation becomes a of 1 plus r means 2 plus 2 square, that is 4, is equal to 16. Hence, a into 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 is equal to 16. A becomes 16 upon 7. Hope you understand this. See, a is known, r is known, r is greater than 1, hence we have to use the formula Sn is equal to a of r to the power of n minus 1 upon r minus 1. See, Sn becomes, a means here 16 by 7 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. See, check out the option. 16 upon 7 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. The option B is 16 upon 7 to 2 to the power of n minus 1 is the right answer. Option B is 15 by 7 is it. 15 by 7 of 2 to the power of n minus 1, that is wrong. Option C is also wrong. Option B is also wrong. Option A is 16 upon 7 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. Next problem. Question 16. See how many terms of geometric series will make the sum 5461? 5460. So here GP is given 1 4. Next it will be 16, 64, like that and so on. GP means here first term 1, common ratio 4. Find your Sn also given. Sn is 5460. Observe carefully. Here A is 1, R is 4. R is 4. 4 means that is greater than 1, right? Again, we just going to use the formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 upon r minus 1. See 5461, that is equal to a means 1, r means 4 to the power of n minus 1 upon 4 minus 1, 3. A simple cross multiplication will be get 3, 8, 16. 16,383 is equal to 4 to the power of n minus 1. 4 to the power of n minus 1. Again I am shifting at 4 power n minus 1 to left side comes plus 1. 16,384. 16,384. See again, what power of 4 should I write so that I can get 16,384 means 4 to the power of. If I write power as 7 for the number 4, it will be get 16,000. Now compare the powers on both sides, n becomes 7. N becomes 7. Now look out the option, check out the options. Option A 6 is there, B is 7, C is 8, D is 9. Option B is correct answer. And the next is 61st problem. Find the geometric mean between 4 and 9. 61st. See, you know that geometric mean between two numbers is calculated by root AB. Here we are two positive numbers. So the root AB becomes square root of 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Root 36 is 6. Geometric mean of two positive numbers C is 6. Check out the option. Option A is 6, B 8, C 9. Option A is correct answer. 6. Next, 62. Calculate the sum to n terms of the series. Series is given 4, 44, 444 and so on. Here we have to find the sum of the series. Sum of the series means SN, right? See here, find out a sum is. Choose the option A. Substitute n is equal to 1. See, on substituting n is equal to 1, see, you know that n is equal to 1 means S1. S1 means sum of one term, only one term. So if I get only one term as 4, that is the right answer. Again substitute. Here choose option B. Option A is 4 upon 9. 10 of 10 to the power of n minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 minus n. See, I am going to substitute n is equal to 1. On substituting n is equal to 1, 4 by 9, 10 to the power of 10 of 10 power 1 minus 1 is 9 upon 9. Minus 1, here 9 and cancel. 4 by 9, 10 minus 1 equals 9. See, it is equal to 4. Like this, on substituting n is equal to 2, to get sum of two terms means that is the right answer. You can check one with option A, option B, option C, option D. Here option A is the right answer. Again, n is equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. n is equal to 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sum of two terms 44 plus 4 48 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ n is equal to 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sum of 3 terms ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 63, question 63. Option A is correct answer. Here 63. If arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B are 10 and 8 respectively, find the numbers. See here, arithmetic mean is given. That is 10 and 8. Geometric mean is 8. Arithmetic mean, you know that is A plus B upon 2. That is equal to 10. Geometric means root AB, that is equal to 8. Now, check out the option. Option A ತಗೋ. A ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡು. Left side, right side equal ಅಂತ option A is correct. Otherwise, choose option B, right? Now, ಈಗ option A ತಗೊಂಡು A plus B means 4 plus 16 upon 2. That is equal to 10. 4 plus 16, 20 upon 2, that is 10. 10 is equal to 10. Here also, root AB means 4 into 16. That is equal to 8. Is root 64. Root 64 means 8. 8 is equal to. Option A is correct. Again, check out. We check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು option B. Option B ಏನಿದೆ? Option B is 16 for ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Again, ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 16 plus 4 upon 2, that is equal to 10. See, 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 by 2, 10. 10 is equal. Here also, 8 is equal to 8. See, both option A and B are correct answer. Option C is arithmetic mean of the roots of a quadratic equation is A and geometric mean of its roots is G. Then the quadratic equation becomes. As you know that an arithmetic mean means A plus B by 2. Here A and B are the roots of the equation, right? This is arithmetic mean. And geometric mean GM is root AB. Here sum of the root becomes, if I consider A is the arithmetic mean and G is the geometric mean of two numbers, A and B, here A and B are roots of the equation. See, problem in terms of quadratic equation is that therefore we have to take A and B are roots of the equation. See, A plus B becomes 2A and G square becomes squaring on both sides, that becomes CD. That becomes CD. Now quadratic equations means, you know that quadratic equation of the equation is given by x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So quadratic equation. X square minus sum of the roots means here 2a is there, 2a into x plus product of the roots is ab, that is g square, 2a, that is g square. See, now check out the option. Option A is x square plus ax plus g square is there. Option B is x square plus 2ax plus g square equals 0. It is also wrong. Option C is x square minus ax plus g square, that is equal to 0. Option D is x square minus 2ax plus g square, that is equal to 0. This is right answer. Option D is right answer. So that's complete. A set, right, of sequences and series. Write down the notes properly. Okay, we'll check your notes the next time. Thank you.